Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to create beautiful keychains with a velvety effect on customer demand. Make you mold dust free and remove any resin residual particle. We're going to pour the colored resin into our keychain molds. Molds should be half filled. Wait for a half hour. Grab a plastic sheets and place it on the poured resin in this manner as shown to create velvet effect. For better effect, use plastic wrap pieces. Let it set. Remove the plastic wraps. Remove deformities and sharp edges. Mix resin to fill another half molds. Adding black pigment in separate resin. Filling the another half of mold with clear and pigmented resin as per customer desires. Wait for setting resin. Time to demold and it's perfect. Attach keychain accessories link in description below. And there you have it, beautiful resin keychains with a velvety effect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafting videos. Until next time, happy crafting!